So how do you not receive calls on the iPhone? Let me explain it. And if you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get it started. So it depends on how you want to approach this, because there are more ways. First of all, if you swipe down and enable the AirPlay mode, then of course for the period of the AirPlay mode being enabled, nobody can really call you because you disconnected yourself from the cellular network, so your phone is basically unreachable, which is pretty basic, but it's definitely one of the ways to not get calls. But there are of course more ways. You can go to the settings and find the notifications, and from the list of apps go to phone and make sure you disable all of the notifications for phone, which doesn't mean that on the carrier level you're not gonna get the notifications and calls, but you still kind of limit at least some of the banners and the sounds and all of the things, right? So that's one of the options. But you can still do more, and one of the best ways to avoid getting calls, especially during a certain period of time, is by enabling focus modes. So you literally have focus in your settings, and you can choose any type of focus. Let's say that I choose the work related, and the point is that in here you get to decide which people are going to be allowed to call you, or which people you want to silence specifically. So let's say that during the work mode, I want to only allow calls from John, right, and nobody else. This means that the calls are going to be only allowed from people in here, from the people are only allowed, because you can also choose the everybody favorites contacts, right? But I'm going to choose that only John is going to be allowed to call me, and repeated calls, meaning that if somebody else just calls me multiple times in a row, I also don't want that to ring. And then now that I have it set up, I can just go to the control center, go to focus and enable work. And it just means that during the period of work focus, literally nobody can call me except for John, right? That's how I set it up. And that's a very natural way of making sure that you do not receive calls, especially for a set period of time. Like, you can literally keep the work mode enabled all the time, but a lot of people use it for half the day and so on. And that means that your phone will behave differently when this is enabled. So that's something that I would definitely recommend you to play with. Let me know if you found this video useful, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the upcoming tutorials as well.